So I asked AI about, where did it go? I said, of all the languages other than English that have programming languages and IDEs that support them, please list the top 10 languages, the number of languages, and the main IDE that supports in a brief table listing. Well, there are hundreds of non-English programming languages. Most are educational or esoteric, made for art or fun, which I thought was interesting. However, a handful have significant real-world usage or dedicated ecosystems. Following table lists the top 10. Okay, so Russian, that's cool. Chinese, go figure, right? Arabic, look at these coding languages. 1C Enterprise, VBA, is that Visual Basic? I don't know. Easy Programming Language, ZHPy, Wenyan, interesting. Here's Visual Studio Code, kind of listed at the top here. 1C Enterprise Platform, EPL IDE, which is whatever, I don't know. Keyboard layout affects a lot of decisions in coding worldwide, which I thought was an interesting response there. Arabic, okay, look, I don't even know how to pronounce these, so we're just going to list them up here. Maybe I could zoom it in and make it a little more readable. There we go. French, Japanese. Let's take a screenshot so I can have this for the... Alright, that'll be my screenshot. And I think that's it. Look at these. Japanese, Spanish, Hindi, German, Bengali, Hebrew. Okay. So that's a good top 10. Key takeaways. The power of 1C Russian. 1C Enterprise is the most commercially successful language on the list. It is the standard for accounting and ERP software across Russia and the CIS with a massive professional job market. Okay. I have never heard of that. The dominance of wrappers. Many entries like ZHPY for Chinese or Teuton for German are actually transpilers. They allow you to write in your native language where they translate the code into English-based Python behind the scenes so the computer can run it. That is interesting. I had never heard that before. Educational fluent language like Doolittle and Kalimat Arabic are primitive to teach children language programming of the double barrier for learning foreign languages at the same time. Okay, wow. WinDev French is a professional grade rapid application development tool that is very popular in France, parts of Europe, allowing developers to switch between English and French words seamlessly. Okay, cool. Let's see if I can